Beishan, Beishan, oh Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Little tiny village called Beishan, enveloped by the greater Zhuhai. Just on the other side from Macau. Hey, 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 ba, 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 Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me.
Okay, this is third video of Beishan, so I have two more. I'll have them attached in their thumbnails in the back. I'm walking away from the music a little bit. So then you can see those as well, where I'm kind of getting to know this neighborhood. And so I'm going to be going in, seeing that live stream is, and just kind of meander about. So stay tuned for that. And this is Beishan, part of Zhuhai. So stay tuned. Beishan Village number 3. Dun 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 dun. So why is there 3? Well, I filmed in one day and I went to 3 different places. So number 1, I'll have them at the end of the video in the little thumbnail. So I have 1 and 2. 1 was me walking through the village, and so that's me kind of getting to know it for the first time. Second one is me on the periphery part and a little bit inside. So it's just kind of like getting to know the parameter of it. And then the third one, now I'm kind of more familiar, so I'm just going to kind of wander around inside to some places that I think look like the best places to go. And I'm also going to run into some chess players, so hello to them, shout out to them. And then afterwards, I kind of do some more stuff at nighttime where I'm catching the vibe and the live music and the activities around Beishan Village. I think this is probably the best of the 3. So if you're here, stay here and watch all of it, and then maybe catch 1 and 2 later, so you can get even a more appreciation for this kind of cool little spot in Zhuhai. So I also made some music that's coming on the screen now. So I just basically fed it into AI, put the lyrics in AI, and then it produced this music for me. So that's what that's all about. Preview, map, and now we're gonna get into the walk and talk, where I'm gonna firsthand interact with the environment, and you can hear it all. All right, Beishan Village in Zhuhai. Okay, so this is Beishan's, one of the front gates to this ancient neighborhood. There's an artist right there, just some music. There's a temple over that way, the Wang family. And then the main street is where we're going to be meandering towards in a little bit. So we're going to explore and show you a little bit of Beishan. See what it's all about. I've heard it's really nice, so I've heard a lot of really great things about it. Just to kind of give you some, it's a beautiful temple. I'd like to explore that, but we're going to continue on. Let me just walk in here real quick and just see. Already looks pretty interesting. Explore that. But we are going to go this way. And we're just kind of trying to give you an idea of what this all looks like in here. It's also a little bit late, so it's about 5 o'clock. So, hello, how are you? I'm very good. So we're gonna kind of explore. Let me just kind of see. So you got some tea shops. Let's meander through in here. And I'm kind of limited on time because once the sun goes down, the GoPro camera just does not film very well at all. Oh, there's a hand pin. So let me just capture this real quick. It's got a nice little plaza right here as well. Hello. Hello. With a big smile. Okay, so here's a temple art thinking. So I did hear there's going to be a lot of art spaces open. So this looks like one of many, probably. Looks like kind of a Zen garden. So we're just going to continue trying to get a feel for this neighborhood. Oh, there's even little, let's see, that looks kind of interesting. Everybody's getting this shot right here because it is kind of interesting. I'm gonna take a look at that real quick. So it's this kind of wall with all these beautiful bonsai trees. And it goes all the way down to the temple. There's a lot for me to explore in this area. Today I'm just getting a small taste of it. Then in time, it's like an old locomotive station. So there's actually one direction that way. Ice cream. But we're gonna go down this way. Gelato. Let's see. Lifetime Cafe. Okay. So also at the temple side as well. So I guess Beishan has a temple, kind of a neighborhood, lots of jewelry. This kind of. Okay. So we definitely have stuff we could explore down that way. All the different ways. So I think we went all the way down and then this would go back to the main square. Sushi place. Okay. We're still kind of meandering about, so it looks like I'll kind of follow the crowds here. Macau. Huh. Let's kind of see. Okay. Yeah, there's kind of endless amount of possibilities here because like all this stuff could be later filled with different restaurants as well. It's funny how this is even in a Macau style. Largo du Lao, beef au pao. So Largo du Lao is a place in Macau. So that's kind of funny because they have this one, and then this beef au pao is also part of Macau as well. So pretty cool. So we're gonna keep on exploring. And then we also have a whole other area down that way as well. Hair salon right there. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down. Maybe we'll go down this way. Let's kind of explore. Hey guys, got some chess? Nice. I do, yeah.
You wanna play?
Yeah. Let me in the video. So this is part of Beishan. I'm gonna play some chess, and then this is gonna be the third one, and it's gonna be a little bit too dark. So we're gonna check this all out, and all right. So pretty cool. So we're gonna end this video. So we just played at this place called Chit Store. So we had a couple of chess games. That was pretty cool. So Beishan has no shortage of interesting stuff, and because it's a little too dark, I'm gonna be ending this video. And I guess we'll just end it right here. Okay, so that's Beishan. We'll come back here again and film another time for sure, because I'm kind of learned a lot tonight. So that was great to meet up with those two guys. Met them for the first time. So I'm sure I'll see them again if I come over again, and I will. Okay, so we're gonna end this video on this space right here. So there's actually people everywhere in this space, and I have 3 Beishan videos, so I walked through here, I think.
感谢大家的合唱，以及感谢大家的聆听。那么最后一段副歌，希望我可以听到今天晚上。
That's a good ending. So we were just there, Pad Thai Bistro, but it's kind of a cool looking little thing right there. All kinds of interesting stuff in here. We're gonna add a little bit more. So let's see, Friday Latin dance. Let's see, 9 to 1. Okay. So I heard that this one right here, beer is 30, 25 Corona, Guinness 38. So this one and another one here called Bohemia Live Bar. There's more stuff in this alley. But I heard that these are, like an expat owns it? Okay. There's even a QR code for it too. Okay, so they have a New Year's countdown there. So I heard that that's kind of the place where the expats go. So I'm kind of learning more and more, and I'm gonna end this video. Oh, there's more cool stuff. Some interesting, cool chair. So we're gonna end this video by going through this little crowd of where everybody's eating at. It's really well lit, so it's gonna look nice on camera. And then we're gonna end the Beishan video. So yeah, there's a little place you can eat outside. Very popular. So we're just gonna navigate through it.
Did you find it?
I found it. Thank you. So we're gonna come all the way through like this. And we're gonna end it. So actually I asked those two expats about where that was at. So they told me where it was, because the people are the two I was playing chess with, they told me about Bohemia. So now I know what that looks like. And anyways, on that note, we have now 3 Beishan videos, and I'll come by another day and film when it's not so dark. Or at least you have an idea what it looks like.
释放出来。